Bidet sprayer, SUS304 stainless steel bathroom by Giaggi is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper sprayers products. B07HGRCYLM new generation bidet sprayer upgraded your bathroom. Whether you live in a mansion or a tiny apartment, the manufacturer's handheld bidet requires no additional space nor plumbing since it is designed to fit onto your existing toilet with built-in bidet and water supply valves. This toilet water spray is the ultimate bathroom upgrade. Everyone has a sink, toilet and a shower in their bathroom, but not everyone has a toilet turned into a bidet. Guests will be wowed and impressed on your toilet spray kit when they walk into your bathroom and see a state-of-the-art handheld toilet bidet. Handheld bidet offers a drastic improvement in how one cleans up and gets fresh after using the bathroom. It's time to move into the new generation of toilet use like toilet in French. The positive change in your life will ultimately lead everyone to the same question. Why didn't I start using this earlier? Injured or reduced mobility? The ultimate in special care and assistance when regular cleanup has been made difficult. The shower, tub, sink, or family pet cleaned? Your prayers are answered. Handheld bidet sprayer is the best cleaning toilet specialist and a godsend for cloth diapering families. Friendly for the earth? The green effect, and the amount of money saved on the reduction in toilet paper purchases makes a no-brainer. An extra hand when you need it the most. Specification. Type: dual-mode bidet sprayer head. Material: 304 stainless steel. Color: silver. Pressure: 20-80 psi. Sprayer head connector size: G12. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Healthy sanitary protection? What is a bidet used for? This bidet sprayer leaves you feeling cleaner than conventional paper and wet wipes. Equipped with brass sprayer for rear wash, which offers refreshing hygienic wash for your family's or women toilet. Extremely useful for people with hemorrhoid, obesity, hypertension, infirmity due to age, and children. It can be used for every month of the cycle, and is strongly recommended by new or prospective mothers. Premium quality? Bidet sprayer head is made of premium quality 304 stainless steel, rust-resistant, durable for many years use. Resists scratch, corrosion, leaking, and assuring long-time performance. Easy installation? This bidet sprayer head can be connected to a valve adapter or a water faucet, not included. Please cut off water supply when sprayer is not in use. Easy to install in 5 minutes without professional plumbing help. Multi-purpose use? This handheld bidet sprayer set could be mounted to everywhere in your house with hot or cold water, bathroom, kitchen, garden, garage as a pet shower, Muslim shower, toilet seat washer, cloth diaper, washer flusher, kitchen faucet, car shower sprayer, water flower tool, etc. Especially ideal for people with pregnant children, feminine hygiene, hemorrhoid, obesity, or hypertension to wash your bottom with soft strong water by pressing the button. Save money and great widely using. 100% satisfaction? This hand bidet toilet sprayer is constructed entirely of high-quality stainless steel and brass. An elegant nickel brush finish will give your bathroom a classy, timeless look. The manufacturer stands by the manufacturer's handheld bidet shadow sprayer and back it with a lifetime product warranty. The manufacturer are confident that this will be the last bidet sprayer you will ever buy.